Good morning, student. Coming to the lesson on Wings of Courage. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history, will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led a young Indian force during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. He was the only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force, equivalent to the Army's five-star Field Marshal. Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the Indian Air Force into one of the most potent air forces globally and the fourth biggest in the world. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental to the list. The Indian Air Force grew with him. He was the epitome of military leadership in classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. Former Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force, Kapil Kak said, Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam Hormuzji Franji, Jamshedji Manekshaw, and K.M. Karippa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Known as a man of few words, Singh has assiduously led the Indian Air Force during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. Commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the then defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person, quite efficient and firm. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, during the crucial Imphal campaign, and later assisted the advance of the Allied forces to Yangon, now Rangoon. In recognition, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes. After a brief stint with the newly formed No. 2 Squadron, he was promoted to the rank of Squadron Leader in 1944. He was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross in 1944. After his promotion to the rank of Wing Commander in 1949, he was again promoted to the rank of Air Commodore and took over as Air Officer Commanding of an operational command. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure as AOC, initially from 1949 to 52 and then again from 1957 to 61. Towards the end of 1962 war, he was appointed as Deputy Chief of the Air Staff and became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. He was the overall commander of the joint training exercise Shiksha held between IAF, Royal Air Force and Royal Australian Air Force. On August 1st, 1964, Arjun Singh took over reins of Indian Air Force at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up to meet new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CS rank, having flown over 60 different types of aircraft like Nat and Vampire. He has also flown in transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. In 1965, he inspired Indian Air Force to victory despite the constraints imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force combat power. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, the rank of the CS was upgraded and Arjan Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in Indian Air Force, visiting forward bases, and he retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of the Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjan Singh in January 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with Indian Air Force. Thank you.